So now let's analyze the anatomy of a P&ID here. On the top, we can see the primary equipment data. Here it's the data of a vessel, which is in this drawing. If there is a pump in the drawing, it is common to add the pump data at the bottom. We have a box on the right to the bottom, commonly called as the title block. Here it may not show lots of information. However, in this box, it's common to add the name of the company, which is the plant owner, or we can add also the name of the project, the engineering contractor who developed this P&ID, and the signatures of individuals who developed the P&ID. We can also see the P&ID drawing number, which is PID 01 in this case. This is because most probably we shall have a set of P&IDs to cover this scope. Commonly, a project may contain more than 10 P&ID drawings, and we even may find ourselves needing hundreds of drawings in large projects. So, to control these drawings, we need to assign a P&ID number to each drawing. So we should assign a unique number related to each drawing to distinguish it from other drawings. This is a very simple numbering system, but the numbering system can be much more complex depending on the system to be followed. Also, on the P&ID here, we can see the notes section on the top right. Here we shall add miscellaneous notes that should be considered by the one who reads the P&ID or somebody working based on the P&ID, such as our piping or instrumentation colleagues. And here comes the main body of the P&ID, which shows the main P&ID components and equipment. Now, to understand the relationship between different P&ID drawings and how they connect, we commonly use arrows to express the source from where the fluid comes and its destination where it is going. This is commonly made through continuation arrows. So, for example, here, the treated oil from the separator goes to the oil pump. This is through the line number 10HC02. The pump P&ID is located in the drawing number PID02. So, if I open this drawing PID02, I should see this line with its number matching the number of PID01, which is here 10HC02. Finally, it happens in many P&ID drawings that we use grid systems. Through the grid system, it shall be easy to locate the component or an annotation in our P&ID. So if I want to point out to pump P01A, it can be shown here on grid E7. Also, the grid system can even ease the continuation. So if the line here goes from PID01 to PID02, it goes out at a vertical grid of 3. Then in the other drawing, it shall enter at the same grid as applicable.